Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare niacinamide versus niacin. We'll explore their distinct properties and how each form of vitamin B3 impacts your health. While both are essential, understanding their differences is key to choosing the right one for your needs. Niacinamide is often preferred for skin health, whereas niacin is known for its cholesterol-lowering effects. Let's dive into the specifics of each compound. Niacinamide is a popular ingredient in skincare due to its ability to improve skin health. It helps strengthen the skin's protective barrier, reducing redness and irritation. Many people use it to minimize pores and smooth out fine lines, achieving a more even skin tone. Unlike its counterpart, niacinamide is well tolerated and does not cause the common flushing sensation, making it a gentle option for daily use. Niacin, or nicotinic acid, is well known for its significant impact on cholesterol levels. It can effectively lower bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing good HDL cholesterol. However, a common side effect is the niacin flush, which involves temporary redness, warmth, and itching of the skin. This reaction is usually harmless but can be uncomfortable. Always consult a healthcare professional before taking high doses of niacin. Deciding between niacinamide and niacin depends on your specific health goals. If you're looking to improve skin appearance or reduce inflammation without the flush, niacinamide is likely your best choice. For managing cholesterol levels, niacin can be highly effective, but it's crucial to do so with professional medical advice due to potential side effects. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen to ensure it's safe and appropriate for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.